Here's my low-calorie chicken curry with almost zero oil. Marinating chicken would be the first step. I have 1 kilogram of chicken drumstick skinless. To marinate this, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, salt to taste. Now I'm gonna mix everything together. And now mixed, we are gonna set this aside. The dry roast 1 big tablespoon of curry powder. The whole purpose of this is to get a nice color on the curry powder. Make sure to do the dry roasting at medium heat. While dry roasting, constantly move the curry powder to prevent it from burning. This will not only add flavor, it will give that nice dark color to our beautiful chicken curry. Now the dry roasting of our curry powder is done. Now add the dry roasted curry powder to your marinated chicken. Now we are going to mix everything really well. I have mixed the dry roasted curry powder. Now I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to set the cooker to medium heat. I'm going to spray a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add my onions, then garlic, then ginger, few curry leaves, few cardamom, few cloves, a cinnamon stick, some chopped coriander. This is completely optional. 1 green chili if you like it spicy. Now we are after a nice brown color around the onions. Our onions are now ready. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Mix the chicken really well. Now we have mixed our chicken really well. Now I'm going to close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. This is how our chicken looks after 5 minutes. Add water just to cover the chicken. First we are going to get the water into a boil and close the lid. Now I'm going to reduce the heat so our chicken curry can nicely simmer in low heat and leave it for 30 minutes at low heat. Now the chicken curry has been cooking in very low heat for 30 minutes. Our chicken curry is done. I have turned off the heat. Last step, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have mixed the black pepper to the chicken curry. Now our chicken curry is ready to plate.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out